How do you guys? Hope everyone is good. Today I will discuss how to use Wondershare video editor software. Uh, you know there are various video editing software. So friend, by using this Wondershare video editor software, you can easily edit your video. So friend, let's start. At first you have to open Wondershare video editing software. Friend, now I am opening my software, Wondershare video software. Taking time. In the display you are now looking and create new movies, 16 point and ratio 9 4:3. We will use 16:9. Then you are looking easy mode. You can edit your video by using easy mode, but we will used full feature mode. Friend, we will use full feature mode. Select full feature mode. Taking time, friend. Now the Wondershare video editor software now open. First, the introduction of Wondershare video editor software. First, you're looking use album, sample color, sample video, and import, record. All means video, music, audio, etc. I will discuss step by step. At first, if you want to edit video, then you have to import from your desktop file. Suppose I want to edit my video from here. Just suppose I want to edit this video, then open, click. Now the video are in the software. Then you have to import here this video. Mouse left click and put the video here. Friend, now you can play the video. Friend, now this video are playing here. Then if you want to edit this video, I stop video. If you want to cut here, then split, click split. If you want to click delete here, left side, then click left side. If you want to click delete right side, then click right side. Suppose friend, I want to delete left side, click left side, then delete, click. The left side video left side are deleted now. Suppose friend, if you want to delete here, in this video I want to delete this right side, right side something or problem. Friend, suppose I have to delete the right side, then click split, then delete click, then delete click. Now the video right side are deleted. Then if you want to add music or text, at first music, if you want to add music, you have to add from the desktop, then input your music. Suppose the audio file desktop, then open click, and then mouse left click, then turn here, and then equal with video, then the music are add the video, and main video music one. If you want to delete, then click right, mouse right click, then audio detach. And if you want to text, there are various style here. You can use any one of this. Suppose I want to this text, then mouse left click, then turn here, and if you want to use this text full video, then you can turn the text, and if you mouse left double click, then edit your text. Suppose I want to use Rintu Chakma. So friend, your friend, you are now watching Rintu Chakma are now display Rintu Chakma friend. By this way you can use your text. Then friend, return click, effect. If you want to change your video color, then you can use this effect. Suppose I want to use this effect the whole video, and then so friend, now you are looking, the video color are now changed. By this way you can use effect. Then fifth means friend logo. If you want to, suppose I want to use this fifth, then mouse left click, turn fifth here. Suppose I want to use this fifth whole video, then you can play, and you can resize this logo or fifth. Suppose I want to use here. Then friend, play your video. Now are looking beautiful, or your logo. If you want to use your logo, you can use here or customize your logo, friend. And suppose then return click, and transition means, and if you want to use transition, mouse left double click, mouse down double click. However, you can use this transition. Then intro mean video or starting in your intro. You can use this intro, or suppose this is the intro. Suppose you can use this intro, or you can this intro by this system sound. From the drop down menu you can use various sound. You can use from here. Suppose I want to use this sound. Then friend, we can use your sound. Then something disturbing my computer. Friend, now you're looking, the video is playing. Then split mean what want to, you can use from here. Split mean you here one video to three parts. You can use your video from here display, and you can use sound record. Then you can use this sound record with video, friend. Totally I discuss all the video function. Then there are none and none. Then if your video editing are finished, you can import or save. If you want to save this video as a project, then Wondershare video editor, here mouse left click, then save as project, save as project, and you can add file, and you can exit from here, and you can open new another video from here. And then if you can full screen from here this video, then you can play from here. So friend, now you are looking stop, then and then you can export friend. Now setting, then I will use Galaxy Note. You can use various Galaxy S3, Galaxy X2 and HTC One, various menu from here. Suppose I want to use Galaxy Note. And file name, friend, file name, suppose file name into Chapma, suppose, and where you want to save from your computer. Suppose I want to save D drive. And advanced setting, here your resolution you can use here, you can use and tabs you can use here, and kbps you can use 8000 kbps. So we will use 2000 or uh, 150 kbps. SSC audio use you can use from here anything, and we will use 2 channel stereo bitrate. We will use here, friend. Then export click, then export click, then our video will convert as a new video and our editing video. So friend, the video will save automatically computer D drive. So friend, this is video editing software, using video editing software Wondershare. By using this Wondershare video editing software, you can easily edit your video. So friend, if you like my video, please subscribe my video. Thank you.